Welcome to this beginner-friendly Excel tutorial. Today, you will learn 5 of the most important and useful Excel functions that everyone should know. These functions are simple, powerful, and can save you a lot of time when working with data. Let's get started. Function number 1 is sum. The sum function adds numbers together automatically. Instead of typing calculations manually, Excel can do it for you in seconds. For example, if you want to add the values from cell B2 to B10, simply type equals sum, open parenthesis, B2, colon, B10, close parenthesis. Press Enter, and Excel instantly calculates the total. Next is the average function. Average helps you find the mean value of a group of numbers. Suppose you have students' test scores from C2 to C10. Type equals average, open parenthesis, C2, colon, C10, close parenthesis. Press Enter, and Excel gives you the average score immediately. Function number 3 is count. Count tells you how many cells contain numbers within a selected range. For example, equals count, open parenthesis, D2, colon, D20, close parenthesis. This function is very useful when you need to count sales records, scores, or any numerical data. Now, let's look at one of the most popular functions in Excel, if. The if function allows Excel to make decisions based on conditions. Imagine a student passes the exam if the score is greater than or equal to 70. You can type equals if, open parenthesis, E2 greater than or equal to 70, comma, quotation mark, pass, quotation mark, comma, quotation mark, fail, quotation mark, close parenthesis, mark, fail, quotation mark, close parenthesis. If the score meets the condition, Excel displays pass. Otherwise, it shows fail. This function is widely used in reports, dashboards, and data analysis. Finally, we have VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. This function searches for a value in the first column of a table and returns information from another column. For example, you have a product code in cell A2, and you want to find the product name from another table. You can use equals VLOOKUP, open parenthesis, A2, comma, H2, colon, J20, comma, 2, comma, false, close parenthesis. Excel will search for the code and return the corresponding product name automatically. VLOOKUP is incredibly useful when working with large databases and business reports. Let's quickly review the 5 essential Excel functions. Sum adds numbers together. Average calculates the mean value. Count counts cells that contain numbers. If performs logical tests and returns different results. And VLOOKUP searches for information in a table. Mastering these 5 functions is a great first step toward becoming more confident with Excel. Keep practicing, and soon you will work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next Excel tutorial. See you in the next video.